Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today's review is on WISESHE makeup blending sponge. WISESHE is an Indian brand owned by Anamika. Anamika is one of the earliest beauty bloggers from India, and I have been following her for quite a while now. So when she comes out with her own brand, and that too their makeup tools, of course I would definitely want to try them out. So I went ahead and purchased this blender from them from Amazon. Now their products are available both on Amazon as well as WISESHE website. We'll leave the links of both in the description box down below. Do check them out, and don't forget to check out their Instagram too. They always share a lot of fun and informative beauty tips. It comes in a very beautiful and eco-friendly cardboard packaging like this. You can definitely reuse this packaging for storing your accessories, and it's really going to look very pretty on your vanity too. So once you open it up, you have this small pamphlet with all information about the company and your different social media handles. The actual sponge comes in this very cute mini little plastic packaging. How cute does this look, right? So actually you pay for only a blender, but they give you a mini blending sponge too along with it, so that's a good deal. And you know the drill. If you're not new to makeup, you need to soak the blending sponge in water and squish it out a couple of times so that it expands in size. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. We're going to pour some water into this bowl now. And get the blending sponge ready for applying makeup. When it comes to makeup, it's an entirely personal choice whether you like to use a blending sponge for just liquids or also for powder products. I personally like using my blending sponge only for liquid and cream products, and I like to use a brush for applying my powder products. Although it does work great when you have to bake your under eyes and chisel your face for highlighting and bronzing. That's because a sponge does a great job of blending 2-3 products together without any of the harsh lines showing. And oh my god, did you just see that? It has doubled in size. The bigger sponge has doubled in size, while the smaller mini sponge has expanded but did not double in size. And another important thing I came across this product is that it feels so soft to touch. This is the first time I've come across a product in India which feels this soft. I've used a lot of makeup sponges from India, but this one is really good. Now let's see how it performs. I'm going to apply some foundation. This is the Maybelline 24 hours full coverage foundation. This is the way you need to dab on. Never rub it in up and down motion. That's going to just move the product. It's not going to apply the product on an even base. Always dab the product on whenever you use a sponge. And yeah, this is blending so well, and it is giving me a very natural and airbrushed look. It really is blending very well, and I really like it. You can see that. And coming to the sponge, it did not absorb much of product. Very little absorption was there, which is pretty natural when it comes to latex free sponge. Now let's see how the mini blender works. So I picked up the L'Oreal True Match concealer. I always pick up a concealer a tad bit lighter than my foundation because that gives me a very natural look. Now this too has done a great job of blending the product in all those tiny areas, especially your inner eye circles, around your nose, your mouth, and around your eyebrows too. The sponge is an awesome product. It hardly absorbed any product. It did a great job of blending very well, and also it gave me a very airbrushed effect. So that's what we look forward for acing our base, right? So I really need more of the sponge. I'm looking forward to purchasing the other variant. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and found my review really useful. So until my next video, Take care.